Hey there. Right, here we have an example of a long division where the coefficient of x is not 1. So we're going to write down our divisor and our dividend. Now make sure when you're doing any of these long divisions that each term has an exponent that is descending just by 1 each time. Otherwise, you need to put a 0 in the gap. So here we can see 3, 2, 1, 0. So it's fine. I'll do another video where we have a gap so you can see how to do that. I've also shown this exact example via synthetic division so you can see how they work differently. The first thing you need to do is ask yourself how many 3x's are in 6x cubed. And the answer to that is 2x squared. Then this is the start of the very repetitive steps. Okay, it's the same thing over and over again. We have to multiply the 2x squared by 3x and by the 4. So 2x squared times 3x is 6x cubed. Now you can see these two terms are the same thing, which is what we want. They end up cancelling. 2x squared times 4 is positive 8x squared. And we need to perform a subtraction. We do this every single time. So 2x squared minus 8x squared is negative 6x squared. And repeat, how many 3x's go into negative 6x squared? And that is negative 2x. And then we need to multiply out. So 2x times 3x is negative 6x squared. Negative 2x times 4 is negative 8x. And we need to subtract. Okay, you can see it's very repetitive. So if you do a couple of these, you quickly get the hang of it. They will always cancel if you've done it correctly. Then negative 11x minus negative 8, so we're actually adding the 8, is negative 3x. How many 3x's are in negative 3x? That is negative 1. And then multiply back out. 1 times 3x is, negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. And I have to perform a subtraction. Okay, these will cancel because we've done it correctly. Then we have 12 minus 4, so it ends up being plus, is 16. Now if you end up with a number down here, that means it is a remainder. So the answer is going to be 2x squared minus 2x minus 1, remainder 16, which can also be written as 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 plus, because it's a positive 16, 16 over 3x plus 4, because that's what we divided by. So it's like saying plus a half or plus a quarter. It's 16 out of 3x plus 4. And that's how you do long division when the coefficient of x is not 1.